Months and he's making puzzles. He made that all by himself.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you make another one for mommy to put on the video? Hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, let me clean your nose. Okay, there we go. Can you find another piece and put on the puzzle?
No. No.
Where should mommy put, let's see.
A red one.
Let's see, this one, Lucas. Where should I put this one? This one. Where should that go? Is that going there?
Yeah.
Let me see. You did it! Good job! Do you want to do another one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Show mommy another one.
No.
Let's see, Lucas, which piece do you think will go here? Which one will go here? Yeah, which one? Which one of all these?
I got a puzzle.
Yes, you got a puzzle.
I got it. Oh no, her face.
Yeah. Are you done?
No.
Then can you show mommy how to make another one?
Yeah.
Okay. Which other one can you put there?
Aki.
Aki?
Aki.
Let me see. Where should I put this one?
Aki.
Where should I put it? Here?
No.
No? There?
Yeah, there.
Let me see. Does that go there?
Yeah. Let's go there.
Does it go there?
No.
No?
Let's go there.
Does it go there?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're right. Whoa. Good job, son. Good job. Very good. Can you put another one?
Yeah.
Let me see.
You put another one.
Do you want me to put another one?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you please show me where that one goes then first?
Yeah. Aqui.
Ah, garoto. Very good. Now, do you want mommy to put one?
Where's Papa go?
Papa went to work. Do you want to finish your puzzle or are you tired?
No. I finished my puzzle.
All right. Do you want mommy to help you or do you want to do it?
Mommy, let's do it on the bed.
Do it on the bed?
Yeah.
Okay, let's finish this one and then we'll do it on the bed, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So let's see. This one. I wonder where this one can go. Where could this one go, Lucas?
Mommy, let's do it on the bed.
Do it on the bed.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna stop the movie now.